up out of there.
Ain't nothing but a gangsta party.
Like that up, Snoop. Why you acting like that?
Oh shit. You done fucked up now. You done put two of America's most wanted in the same motherfucking place at the same motherfucking time. Y'all niggas about to feel this. Break out the champagne glasses and motherfucking condoms. Have one on us, alright? Picture perfect. I paint a perfect picture. Bomb the hooches with precision. My intentions to get with you with that and double OP. Dog, my fucking homie. Use a cold ass nigga on them all.
Show enough, I keep my hand on my gun, cause they got me on the run. Now I'm back in the courtroom, waiting on the outcome. Free Tupac is all that's on the niggas' mind, but at the same time, it seems they tryna take mine. So I'ma get smart and get defensive and shit, and put together a million march for some gangster shit.
So now they got a slate. Two multi-millionaire motherfuckers catch a cases. Bitches get ready for the throwdown. The shit's about to go down. Me and Snoop about to climb. I'm losing my religion. I'm vicious on these stool pigeons. You might be deep in this game, but you got the rules missing. Niggas be acting like you savage. They out to get the cabbage. I got nothing but love for my niggas living life.
I got a pit named P, she niggerina. I got a house out in the hills, right next to Chino. And I think I got a black Beamer, but my dream is to own a fly casino like Bugsy Siegel and do it all illegal and get scooped up by the little homie in the Riga. It feel good to you, baby bubba. You see, this is for the G's and the keys, motherfucker.
Now follow as we ride, motherfuck the rest. Two of the best from the west side, and I can make you famous. Niggas been down for years, so how can they blame us? I live in fear of a felony. I never stop belly needs, motherfucking G's. If you got it, better flaunt it. Another woman, two of America's most wanted.
Ain't nothing but a gangsta party. Ain't nothing but a gangsta party.
It ain't nothing but a motherfucking gangsta party. It ain't nothing but a motherfucking gangsta party. Now give me 50 feet. Defeat is not my destiny. Release me to the streets and keep whatever's left of me. Jealousy is misery, suffering is greed. Better be prepared when you cabbage fuck with me. I bust a fleet. These niggas must be crazy. What? There ain't no mercy, motherfuckers who can fade the thug. You thought it was when it wasn't. Now disappear. Bow down in the presence of a boss
It's
player.
like blood, gang banging. Everybody in the party doing dope slanging. You got to have papers in this world. You might get your first snatch before your eyes swirl. You're doing your job every day, and then you work so hard till your hair turn gray. Let me tell you about life and about the way it is. You see, we live by the gun, so we die by the
They tell
gun
me
as
not to
kids.
roll with my Glock, so now I gotta throw away. Floating in the black bin, trying to do shit a day. They wonder how I live with 5 shots. Niggas is hard to kill on my block. Schemes for currency and double related. Affiliated with the hustlers, so we made it. No answer to questions, I'm trying to get it on. My nigga dog with me, eternally the most wrong.
Ain't nothing but a gangsta party. Ain't nothing but a gangsta party. Ain't nothing but a gangsta party.
It ain't nothing but a motherfucking gangsta
Ain't
party.
nothing but a gangsta party.
bust your ass out. Got a nigga wanting it so bad I'm about to pass out. Wanna dig you, and I can't even lie about it, baby. Just alleviate your clothes, time to fly about it. Catch you at a club, oh shit, you got me feeling. Body talking shit to me, but I can't comprehend the meaning. Now if you wanna roll with me, then here's your chance. Doing 80 on the freeway, police catch me if you can. Forgive me, I'm a rider, still I'm just a simple man. All I want is money, fuck the fame, I'm a simple man. Mr. International, player with the passport. Just like a ladder, bitch, get you anything you ask for. It's either him or me. Champagne, Hennessy, a favorite of my homies. When we floss on our enemies, witness as we creep to a low speed. Peep with a whole knee, puff some more weed, bump, you don't need. Approaching hoochies with a passion, been a long day, but I've been driven by attraction in a strong way. Your body is banging, baby, I love it when you're flown it. Time to give it to daddy, nigga, now tell me how you want it.
How do you want it? How does it feel? Coming up as a nigga in a cash can. Living in the cash can, living in the morning. How do you want it? How do you feel? Coming up as a nigga in a cash can. I'm living in the fast lane now for real.
Tell me, is it cool or fuck? Does you think I come to talk in my fool or what? Positions on the floor, it's like erotic. Ironic, cause I'm somewhat psychotic. I'm hitting switches on bitches like I've been fixed when I drop it. Up and down like a roller coaster. I'm up inside you, I ain't quit until the show is over. Cause I'm a rider, in and out just like a robbery. I'll probably be a freak and let you get on top of me. Get the rockin' knees, nights full of Alizé. A living legend, you ain't heard about these niggas play these Cali days. Use a motherfucker. Instead of trying to help a nigga, you destroy your brother. Worse than the others, Bill Clinton, Mr. Bob Dole. You're too old to understand the way the game's so. You're lame, so I gotta hit you with the hot facts. Want some release, I'm making millions, niggas top that. They wanna sit to me, they'd rather see me in the cell. Living in hell, only a few of us are lit to tell. Now everybody talking about us, I could give a fuck. I be the first ones to bomb and cuss. Nigga, tell me how you want it.
How do you want it? Tell me, how does it feel? Coming up as a nigga in a cash can. Living in the fast lane, I'm living in the. How do you want it? How do you feel? Coming up as a nigga in a cash can. I'm living in the fast lane, I'm real.
Raised as a youth, tell the truth, I got the scoop on how to get a bulletproof. Because I jumped from the roof before I was a teenager. Mobile phone, sky pager, game rules, I'm living major. My adversaries is looking rugged. They paranoid and beating rugged. One of us gon' see the cemetery. My only hope is survive. If I was to stay alive, getting high, see the demons in my eyes. Before I die, I wanna live my life involved. Make a couple million, and then I'm chillin', fading more. These taxes got me crossed up, and people tryna sue me. Media is in my business, and they acting like they know me. But I'ma mash out and peel out. I'm with it quick, that's quick to whip and fucking steal out. Yeah, nigga, it's some new shit, so better get up on it. When you see me, tell a nigga how you want it. How do you want it?
How do you want it? How did you feel? Coming up as a nigga in a cash can. Living in the fast lane, now for real. How do you want it? How do you feel? Coming up as a nigga in a cash can. Living in the fast lane, now for real. How do you want it? How did you feel? Coming up as a nigga in a cash can. Living in the fast lane, now for real.
How you want it?
How do you want it? How do you feel? Coming up as a nigga in a cash
Yeah, my nigga Johnny Jackson. Yeah.
How do you want it? How did you feel? Coming up as a nigga in a cash can. Living in the fast lane, for real. How do you want it? Tell me. How did you feel? Coming up as a nigga in a cash can. Living in the fast lane, for real. How do you want it? How did you feel? Coming up as a nigga in a cash can. Living in the fast lane, for real.
I see no changes. Wake up in the morning and I ask myself, is life worth living? Should I blast myself? I'm tired of being poor and even worse, I'm black. My stomach hurts, so I'm looking for a purse to snatch. Cops give a damn about a Negro. Pull a trigger, kill a nigga, he's a hero. Get it back to the kids who the hell cares. One less hungry mouth on the welfare. worship them, don't let them deal with brothers. Give them guns, step back, watch them kill each other. It's time to fight back, that's what Huey said. 2 shots in the dark, now Huey's dead. I got love for my brothers, but we can never go nowhere unless we share with each other. We gotta start making changes. Learn to see me as a brother instead of 2 distant strangers. And that's how it's supposed to be. How can the devil take a brother if he's close to me? I let it go back to when we played as kids, but then changed. That's the way it is. Come on, come on.
That's just the way it is. Things will never be the same. That's just the way it is. Oh yeah.
Hear me. Oh, come on. Oh, come on, come on.
That's just the way it is. Things will never be the same. Oh yeah. That's just the way it is. Oh yeah.
I see no changes, all I see is racist faces. Misplaced hate makes disgrace to races. We under, I wonder what it takes to make this one better place, let's erase the wasted. Take the evil out the people, they'll be acting right. Cause both black and white and smoke a crack tonight. And the only time we chill is when we kill each other. It takes skill to be real, time to heal each other. And although it seems evident, we ain't ready to see a black president. It ain't a secret, don't conceal the fact. The penitentiary's packed and it's filled with blacks. But some things will never change. Try to show another way, but you're staying in the dope game. Now tell me what's a mother to do. Being real don't appeal to the brother in you. You gotta operate the easy way.
I made a G today,
but you made it in a sleazy way. Sell it back to the kid.
I gotta get paid.
Well, hey, well that's the way it is. Come on, come on.
That's just the way it is.